Morning, sir. My name is Jeremy Pineda from BizIT 2K. So, in this screenshot ay gumawa ko ng sir, table students wherein my table name na student ID, name, age, major, enrollment year, GPA, and department ID. So, next. Dito naman, sir, is gumawa ko ng table departments wherein may two tables na my name na department ID and department name. Next. Dito naman sir is nag-insert ako ng courses sa may department sir. In my computer science, engineering, mathematics, physics, and biology sir. Then dito naman sir is ditong query naman sir is um, nag-insert ako sa student sir na may pangalang Erin Yeager and Armin Arle, which is nasa computer science and engineering po sila sir. And the next one is dito sir dito sa task 1 is i-retrieve yung may greater sa 3.5 na GPA sir. And na and yung major nila is either computer science or engineering. The work clause nagfi-filter po siya sa students by their GPA and while the end condition ensures student also belongs on the specified majors, which is all the majors sir na nilagay ko. And Eren Yeager was retrieved because yung GPA niya sir is greater than 3.5 and yung major naman niya is computer science sir. Then next, the last one. Well dito naman sa task to sir, yung i-order yung GPA sa descending order of their GPA sir. So the highest to lowest GPA sir. So nag-display siyang ganito sir because si Eren Jaeger is may 3.80 na GPA while si Armin naman sir is may 3.5. So sakto lang sir na descending. Wala sir. Thank you sir.